Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on LRC. In my previous video of LRC, I was showing you how it broke out the resistance of a big falling wedge pattern and also formed an inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. And in today's video, we will once again take a look at this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the previous month's trading signals report in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And for example, if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade signal for Badger, you just need to click on the link. It will take you to the trading views chart. And there is a play button available on every trading views chart. You just need to click that play button. And like I'm going to do this, then it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's start the analysis, and let me take you here on this live weekly time frame chart. And here we can see that we have already broken out a resistance of a very big falling wedge pattern in the month of January 2023. You can see it was a quite big falling wedge pattern. Therefore, after breaking out this resistance, LRC can start a long-term rally to the upside. And if I place this measurement tool from this low of December up till this high of Feb 2023, then you can see that so far it has rallied almost 166% and formed a double top here and broke down a very significant support of 30 cents. And it has also broken down this red line, that is the EM at 21 on the weekly time frame chart as well. That was previously working as a very long-term resistance, you can see. And now we have again broken it down. Therefore, if the price line starts any reversal move from here, then still we will need to break out this resistance of 30 cents that was previously working as a support, and now it can work as a resistance. And we will also need to break out this resistance of EMA 21 as well. And the next resistance will be here at 47.5 cents. And if we take a look at the previous history of this resistance, then we can see that here we got rejected, here we got rejected, and here it was working as a resistance, and here it was working as a support, and here as a resistance. Therefore, again, it can be a very big hurdle for the price line in order to continue its move to the upside. Now, at the same time, we can see that LRC has also formed an inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. This is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the formation of the right shoulder. Until or unless the price line will not form another lower than the low of head, this head and shoulder pattern is valid. And here we have the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern that is slightly moving to the downside. And once the price line will be able to break out this neckline of the inverse head and shoulder pattern, then our target to the upside can be here. That will be approximately at $1.20. By the way, it depends from where it will break it out. For example, if it will move more sideways, then this trend line you can see is moving to the downside, then the target can be more low. Now, if we take a look at the oscillator, the stochastic oscillator on the weekly time frame chart has again entered the oversold zone. Therefore, there is a probability that if Bitcoin starts any small corrective move to the upside, then LRC can start a bigger move, and it can turn even more bullish than Bitcoin, and it can even break out the next resistance of 30 cents once again. And by the way, the final target for this breakout from this huge falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately between $4 to $5. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.